Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is the histology topic, histology of the cartilage. Those who have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe now. I have started with this batch of the MBBS students and I will be covering starting from the upper limb, general histology, general embryology. So it will be very useful for you. Those who have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe now. Keep watching the videos and also press the notification button so that you will receive the notifications every day. Okay, we will move on to the topic histology of cartilage. Cartilage comes under the sclerous tissue. What is sclerous tissue? How will you define? It's a specialized connective tissue. The sclerous tissue consists of cartilage and bone. In this video, we will see only the histology of the cartilage and we will continue with the histology of the bone in the next video. Cartilage is classified according to the number of the cells and the nature of the matrix. So these two factors decide the classification. So one is cellular, that is fetal cartilage, that it will come under the cellular. Mature cartilage will be of two types, hyaline and fibro. This fibrocartilage will be again divided into white fibrocartilage and elastic fibrocartilage. In some books, it is given only as elastic cartilage. So we can classify this way, like fibrocartilage divided into two, or we can divide this cartilage into three: hyaline, fibro, and elastic. So what is the structure of the hyaline or elastic or fibro? What it is made of? It is made of cells and abundant intercellular matrix. What cells? You will know easily. The cells are the chondrocytes. Where they are situated? The chondrocytes are situated in the spaces that will be called as lacunae. A lacunae may contain single or two or multiple. So that group of cells in one lacunae will be called as cell nest. So this is lacunae. So this part will be called as lacunae. So this younger cells, if you see, they are small and flattened. You see the older chondrocytes, they are large and rounded. What is this main part of the intercellular substance? Anyone knows? It is chondroitin mucopolysaccharides, hyaluronic acid, and also contain the fibers. It may be collagen, elastic. So it differs according to the type of the cartilage. So this is the matrix. This is matrix, and then this is the place where this cartilage is placed will be called as the lacunae. And this how these cells some they are present as multiples or doubles. So they are in growth stages. This is the growth stage of the cartilage. So how the cartilage grows? By this previous picture we saw that this method is called as appositional. So this single cartilage is now dividing into two cartilage cells. They are the chondrocytes. So this type of division will be called as appositional and the other type will be the interstitial. So now we have started with the classification. In this till now we have seen what it is made of, chondrocytes, and this intercellular substance called matrix. And we have seen the classification, cellular cartilage otherwise called, it is present in the embryonic life. Then mature cartilage will be divided into hyaline, elastic, and fibro. So what is this cellular cartilage? The name itself tells. It is made of mainly cells, mainly chondrocytes, and matrix is very minimal. So you can see this is the fetal hyaline cartilage stained by hematoxylin eosin. You can see abundant chondroblasts. So that is how this is called as cellular cartilage. Again, same fetal cartilage, but you should see this is another stain, Malaris triple stain. So if you see all these pictures, it will be present in deep years atlas of human histology. So all the MBBS students should have this atlas deep years. It is the good atlas for the histology. So now second type of cartilage, that is a type of mature cartilage. It is hyaline. Hyaline means hyalas. That from that word, this name is derived. Hyalas means glossy. So why it is glossy? It has ground glass appearance, appears homogeneous. So that's how it is appearing glossy. This is the main type of the cartilage in the body. And this cartilage is having perichondrium. Perichondrium is the covering for this cartilage, fibrous covering. All hyaline cartilages have perichondrium, but one exception is the articular cartilage. What is articular cartilage? It will be present in the joints covering the articular surfaces. So only articular cartilage is not having perichondrium. So what is the structure of hyaline cartilage? As we told already, it has perichondrium. So this is the diagrammatic representation of hyaline cartilage. Perichondrium. Then we will see younger cells just beneath the perichondrium will be flattened. And if you see deeper cells, they are rounded. It is present as cell nest. Hyaline cartilage, the identification feature is cell group or cell nest. That is the identification feature of hyaline cartilage. What is the appearance of chondrocytes? They are large, rounded, and it has nucleus, very small, 1 or 2. Cells are arranged in groups of 2 to 8. So that is covered by one capsule, that is indicating the origin from a single cell. So identification of feature of hyaline cartilage is chondrocytes arranged in groups of 2 to 8. So this is hyaline cartilage. This is perichondrium. We can appreciate the group of cells. So this type of appearance is typical of hyaline cartilage. So this, as we told, the chondrocytes adjacent to the perichondrium are flattened. Deeper one will be rounded. So this one group will be called as, which is derived from single cell, will be called as cell nest and isogenous group. What is the ground substance in this hyaline cartilage? It is very homogeneous. Why it is homogeneous? This fine collagen fibers and ground substance both have same refractive index. That is why this cartilage is hyalas and it is called as hyaline cartilage. So this is how the mature hyaline cartilage, and this is under high magnification. So you can see the slides under high magnification in the labs also, so that you can appreciate the slides, but you should be careful when changing from low to high. Matrix immediately surrounding the cell nest will be more basophilic and it will be called as territorial, and rest of the matrix will be interterritorial, that is less basophilic. In this picture it is given, this is territorial matrix. You can see here, this is territorial. Immediately surrounding the cell appear basophilic, blue color. But the rest of the matrix will be called as interterritorial matrix. As the age increases, hyaline cartilage will always calcify. That is the rule of hyaline cartilage. So this is the capsular matrix, otherwise called as territorial matrix. Just now we have learned capsular matrix or territorial matrix. So the other high magnification, so we can appreciate this territorial very clearly. Why this is basophilic? It is rich in proteoglycans. If you see my histology classes, it will be having of many detailed description of the histology from the standard textbooks, Grace, DPS, and it will be very useful for you. Where the hyaline cartilage is placed, articular cartilage, but it does not have perichondrium. Costal cartilage, that is attached to the ribs. Cartilages of the larynx, but some of the cartilages of larynx like epiglottis, corniculate, cuneiform, these are all not hyaline, these are all elastic cartilages. Except this, they are the thyroid, and cricoid. They are hyaline. The remaining are elastic. Cartilages of trachea and bronchi. As we told, hyaline cartilage will have the perichondrium. One exception is articular cartilage. So this is articular cartilage stained with silver stain, but you can appreciate there is no perichondrium. Next cartilage, we have seen cellular cartilage, hyaline cartilage. Next is white fibrocartilage. What is the identification feature of white fibrocartilage? Is no perichondrium. Intercellular substance is scanty. Cells are arranged typically in rows, not like cell nest. And what is that bundle of fibers present? Dense bundle of collagen fibers are present in the rows. So this is the typical slide of the fibrocartilage. Example is intervertebral disc in between the vertebrae. So this is again high magnification. You can clearly appreciate the difference between this cartilage and just now we have seen the hyaline cartilage. Here it is appearing as rows, no cell nest. It is appearing as rows, and these are the fine collagen fibers. So it is fibrocartilage. This is fetal intervertebral disc. This is coarse collagen fibers, but the stain is Mallory's triple stain. And this is how we can nicely appreciate the cartilage cells in the different color. The fibrous cartilage and the others will be the elastic fibers. So when elastic fibers are present, that is elastic cartilage. When collagen fibers are present, that is called white fibrocartilage. So what is the example for white fibrocartilage? Intervertebral disc. Just now we have seen the slide. Pubic symphysis. In the temporomandibular joint, articular disc, and also in sternoclavicular joint, articular disc. In the knee joint, it will be present as menisci, and in the acromioclavicular joint, it will be present as menisci. So we have completed the white fibrocartilage. Now elastic cartilage, otherwise called elastic fibrocartilage, it consists of again chondrocytes and intercellular ground substance. What is the difference between the other cartilages and this cartilages? It contains elastic fibers, this intercellular substance, so that these fibers branch anastomose around the cells. So you can appreciate this cartilage different from the other two cartilages till now we are seeing. So this is elastic fibers present. Matrix with elastic fibers and chondrocytes. Perichondrium is present in elastic cartilage. The perichondrium is present in elastic cartilage and in hyaline cartilage also. So these elastic fibers are predominant. Cells are bigger than in the hyaline cartilage. They are also present in lacunae, singly or groups of two, and it also has perichondrium. Now you should be able to write differences between hyaline, elastic, fibro. If you are asked, you should put differences from perichondrium to all the other appearances. So this is the typical elastic fibrocartilage, Gomorrhea chain, so that you can appreciate how this chondrocytes are stained differently. And thus fibers, elastic fibers are stained with von Giesen stains. This is higher magnification showing fibrous perichondrium. And this is elastic. So where elastic cartilage is present? Pinna, just now in the larynx we told epiglottis, carniculate, cuneiform, arytenoid, they are all elastic. Auditory tube, external acoustic meatus. All these are made of elastic cartilage. So we have completed the different types of the cartilage. So this is the summary. Can you identify all the cartilages? So this is typical cell nest. So what is this cartilage? Hyaline. They are arranged in rows. They are fibrous cartilage. Here elastic fibers are predominant. The cells are singly arranged. It is elastic cartilage. I hope you should have understood this topic, histology of the cartilage. If you have any doubts in this topic, post in the comments. I will answer. We will meet with the next video, histology of the bone. Those who are not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe now. Keep watching the videos. Thank you.